Alright, hi, your table of contents, Title 58. This is Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania Title 58. Oil and Gas Part 1 Reserve Part 2. Unconventional gas well fees 2301. Definition 2302. Unconventional gas well fees 2303. Administration 2304. Well information 2305. Duties of Department 2306. Reserve 2307. Commission 2308 Enforcement, 2309 Enforcement Orders, 2310 Administrative Penalties, 2311 Reserve, 2312 Record Keeping, 2313 Examinations, 2314 Distribution Fee, 2315 Statement Initiatives, 2316 Small Business Participation, 2317 Applicability, 2318 Expiration. Chapter 25 Oil, Gas, and Lease Fund Definitions 2501, 2502, and 2503 Reserve 2504 for Operations of Money Repeal 2505 Funds Repeal. Chapter 27 Natural Gas and Energy Development Program expired 2701 through 2704 expired. Part 3 Utilization, 23, Chapter 31 Reserve, Chapter 32 Development, Subchapter A Preliminary Provisions, 3201 Scope of Chapter, 3202 Declaration Purpose Chapter, 3203 Definition, Subchapter B General Requirement, 3211 Well Permits, 3212 Permit Objections, 3212.1 Comments of Municipality Storage Operators, 3213 Well Registration Identifications, 3214 Inactive Status, 3215 Well Location Restriction, 3216 Well Site Restoration, 3217 Protection of Fresh Groundwater Casing Requirement, 3218 Protection of Water Supply, 3218.1 Notification of Public Drinking Water Systems, 3218.2 Contaminant Unconventional Well, 3218.3 Transportation Records regarding wastewater fluids, 3218.4 Corrosion Control Requirement, 3218.5 Gathering Line, 3219 Use of Safe Devices, 3219.1 Well Control Emergency Response, 3220 Plugging Requirement, 3221 Alternative Methods, 3222 Well Reporting Requirement, 3222.1 Hydraulic Fracturing Chemical Disclosure Requirement, 3223 Notification of Effective Well Transfer, 3224 Coal Operator Responsibility, 3225 Bonding, 3226 Oil Gas Technology Advisory Board, 3227 Air Contaminant Emissions, Subchapter C Underground Gas Storage, 3231 Reporting Requirements of Gas Storage Operation, 3232 Reporting Requirements of Coal Mining Operation, 3233 Central Gas Storage Reservoir Operation, 3234 Gas Storage Reservoir Operation, Coal Area, 3235 Inspection Facilities and Records, 3236 Reliance on Maps, Burdens of Proof, 3237 Exemption of Prohibitions, 30 Subchapter D Eminent Domain, 3241 Operation Interest in Real Property, Subchapter E Enforcement Remedies, 3251 Conference, 3252 Public Nuisance, 3253 Enforcement Orders, 3254 Restraint Violations, 3254 One Well Control Emergency Response Cost Recovery, 3255 Penalty, 3256 Civil Penalty, 3257 Existing Rights and Remedies Preserved and Cumulative Remedies Authorized, 3258 Inspecting Production of Materials and Witness of the Disposition of the Rights of an Entry, 3259 Unlawful Conduct, 3260 Collection of Fine Penalties, 3261 Third Party Liability, 3262 Inspection Reports, Subchapter F Miscellaneous Provisions, 3271 Well Plugging Funds, 3272 Reserve, 3273 Effective the Department Authority, 3273 1 Relationships to Solid Waste and Surface Mining, 3274 Regulations, Chapter 33 Local Ordinance Relating to Oil Gas Operation, Definition 3301, Definition 3302 Oil Gas Operation Related Pursuant to Chapter 32, 3303 Oil Gas Operation Regulated Environmental Acts, 3304 Uniformity of Local Ordinances, 3305 Commission, 3306 Civil Action, 3307 Attorney Fees and Costs, 3308 and Eligibility, 3309 Applicability, 35 Chapter 35 Responsibility for Fee, 3501 Declaration Proper Policy, 3502 Prohibition, 3305 3503, existing agreements. 3504, future agreements. Title 58, oil and gas.